Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So here you can see children what we have to do. See the pictures and write the sentence. As we have already learned the concept of this and that. So we have to see and we have to write the sentences. Okay children? See the first picture. You can see the girl here. What she is pointing. She is pointing and saying that this is a boy. This is a boy. So we have to write this sentence in this blank. So what is the spelling of this, children? T-H-I-S. This. So we have to take one finger distance. I-S. Is. This is. Then again one finger distance and write a B-O-Y, boy. She is pointing out and saying, this is a boy. This is a boy. See what the boy is pointing? He is pointing a flower. Where is the flower, children? The flower is near or far? It's far. So what we have to use, this or that? We have to use that. What he is saying? That is a flower. So T-H-A-T. T-H-A-T. That. I-S is a F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. That is a flower. See the girl here, what she is pointing? She is pointing a table. Where is the table? Table is near or far? It is near. So, this is a table. If it is, the table is far, so we can use that. But the table is near, so we are writing this here. This is a table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Okay, children? See the next. What the girl is pointing? She is pointing up and saying that this is a balloon. If the balloon is far, we can use that. But the balloon is near to her. So, this is a balloon. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is a balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. This is a balloon. See the next picture, what is this? It's a tin, but the tin is far, so what we have to use? We have to use that because it is far. T-H-A-T, that. I-S is, that is a T-I-N, tin. So children, you have to write a very neat handwriting by taking one finger distance. Okay children? See the girl, what the girl is pointing? She is pointing and saying that this is a hen. If the hen is far, we can use that. But the hen is near to her. What is the meaning of this arrow? That means it is far. So if the arrow is there, you have to understand that we have to use that. If it is near, so you have to write this. This is, I-S is a H-E-N, hen. Okay children, see here. This is a boy. That is a flower. This is a table. This is a balloon. That is a tin. This is a hen. See children, after completing the sentence, you have to write full stop here. Okay? After completing the sentence, you have to use full stop. That means the sentence is completed. Okay? Hope children you have understand. Thank you.